Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sara Maryam presenting activity on the pillars of Islam. There are 5 pillars of Islam. Observing each pillar is an act of ibadah. The first pillar of Islam is Shahada. Shahada is the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sakina. I am studying in 3rd class. Today I am going to tell about 5 pillars of Islam. Shahada, Salat, fasting, Zakat, Hajj. Shahada, to believe in one Allah and that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's messenger. To believe in your heart and say with your tongue, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Salat, to read Salat.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hafsa Rifti from Sri Lanka. The 5 pillars of Islam. Islam is built on 5 pillars: Shahada, Salah, Zakah, Saum, and Hajj. Shahada, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Shahada is to testify that there is no God but Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger. Shahada lies at the root of a Muslim's life.